The world of law enforcement is rapidly changing, and technology is at the forefront of this transformation. With the rise of robotics, the future of law enforcement is looking more efficient, effective, and safer than ever before. In this video, we'll explore the future of robotics in law enforcement and how it's revolutionizing the way we keep our communities safe. From patrolling the streets to responding to emergencies, robots are becoming an integral part of law enforcement operations. In this first segment, we'll take a closer look at how robots are being used in law enforcement today and what the future holds for this exciting technology. Robots are already being used in a variety of ways in law enforcement. One of the most common applications is for patrolling. Robots can also be used for building entry and clearance, which can be dangerous for human officers. Robots can also be used for delivering items, such as evidence or medical supplies, without putting officers at risk. In high-risk situations, robots can be used to gather intelligence and provide a safe means of communication. Robots can also be used for bomb disposal, which is a highly dangerous task that requires specialized training. Finally, robots can be used for search and rescue operations, where they can navigate dangerous terrain and locate missing persons. These are just a few examples of how robots are being used in law enforcement today. But what does the future hold for this exciting technology? Stay tuned for the next segment. As technology continues to advance, so do the capabilities of police robots. In this segment, we'll take a closer look at some of the latest advancements in robotics technology. One of the most exciting advancements is facial recognition technology. This allows robots to identify suspects and criminals in real time, making it easier for officers to apprehend them. Another advancement is in mobility. Robots are becoming more agile and able to navigate difficult terrain, making them ideal for search and rescue operations. Robots are also being equipped with advanced sensors, such as thermal imaging and gas detection, which can help officers identify potential threats and hazards. Finally, robots are being developed with advanced communication capabilities, such as natural language processing and voice recognition, which can help officers communicate more effectively with the robot. These advancements are just the beginning of what's possible with robotics technology in law enforcement. In the next segment, we'll explore some of the potential benefits and challenges of using robots in law enforcement. While the benefits of using robots in law enforcement are clear, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. In this segment, we'll explore both the benefits and challenges of using robots in law enforcement. One of the biggest benefits of using robots in law enforcement is safety. Robots can be used in high-risk situations, such as search and rescue operations, without putting human officers in danger. Robots can also help officers communicate more effectively, especially in situations where language barriers may be present. In addition, robots can provide officers with valuable intelligence and situational awareness, which can help them make better decisions. However, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. For example, robots may not be able to handle all situations, and there may be ethical concerns about using robots for certain tasks. There is also the risk of technical malfunctions, which could lead to unintended consequences. To address these challenges, it's important to have proper training and maintenance protocols in place, as well as clear guidelines for when and how robots should be used. Overall, the benefits of using robots in law enforcement outweigh the challenges, and as technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in this field. As we've seen, robots are already playing an important role in law enforcement, but what does the future hold for this exciting technology? One area of development is in mobility. Robots are becoming more agile and able to navigate difficult terrain, making them ideal for a variety of law enforcement tasks. Another area of development is in sensors. Robots are being equipped with advanced sensors, such as facial recognition and gas detection, which can help officers identify potential threats and hazards. Finally, robots are being developed with advanced communication capabilities, such as natural language processing and voice recognition, which can help officers communicate more effectively with the robot. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the field of robotics in law enforcement. From autonomous patrol vehicles to drones that can respond to emergencies, the possibilities are endless. However, it's important to remember that robots are not a replacement for human officers. They are a tool that can help officers do their jobs more effectively and safely. In conclusion, the future of robotics in law enforcement is bright, and we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the years to come. With the right training and protocols in place, robots can help make our communities safer and more secure.